Hello everyone, this is Chimmy here. I am in my studio right now and we are not in school because of COVID-19. Hope everyone is doing great. Right now I am going to show you a tutorial on how you can upload your JPEG and your artist statement to ARTSONIA.com. First couple of things, I want to make sure that one, you have your JPEG available that you're going to be uploading. B, make sure that you have your Google Docs open, because you'll just be copy and pasting your artist statement that you've already written. Make sure you know the title also, that will help. And then the third thing, make sure that you have our school code. And our school code is already in Schoology for you. But in case you're taking notes or writing something down right now, it is MWHBNPDS, and it is all capitals. So right now I'm going to start to show you my screen. And I will stay up here just for a little bit so I can help you. And we want to go to ARTSONIA. And again, it's ARTSONIA.com. And you'll notice that up here in the right-hand corner, once you are there, it says Login. Please click on Login. And it's going to give you a couple of options on the left-hand side. Teacher, parent, student. Please click on the last blue one where it says student. We are opening our class portal. Our access code. You are going to type that in. Log in, then you're going to type in your first name because it will look for you. Select you. You can make sure that it is you because your projects that are already uploaded into your portfolio will be here. If they are not there, it is the wrong one, and please go back and try and find the correct one. And up here too, the top right over here, it says Add New Artwork in a green button. Please click on Add New Artwork. And you're going to go through and you're going to find the project and the course for what you need to upload. So right now I am looking for Digital Photo 2 Montage. So then I'm going to select Image and Video. This part was taking quite a few minutes a little bit ago when I was just going through to make sure that the tutorial would be correct for you. So while we're waiting for that, let's see, it's sunny and gorgeous today as I'm recording this, which is really, really nice. Hope you guys are staying healthy. Make sure you're washing your hands. Make sure that you're eating healthy food. Okay, there we go, it came up. And make sure that you're getting enough sleep, but not too much sleep. Because some of you are like sleeping like 18 hours. Unless you're sick, that's just not needed. All right, so I found the JPEG. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to click then Open. And I'll look down here, it says Selected File. That is the name of it. I'm going to upload now, the green button. If you want to do any type of editing, the software in this does have a couple of different things. If you need to crop it, if you need to rotate it. One of the easiest ones is I'm just going to do autofix. Usually it just changes it just a little bit better for the actual computer screen. Click Accept. You're going to do the title. And the title is King of Tigers. So I'm going to type that in. And I'm going to submit to my teacher. The next thing is, it says artist statement. It does say optional, but we are putting them in. The questions that you see here are the exact same questions that you've already answered. So again, I told you to have your Google Docs open. And I'm going to go to my artist statement. And I'm actually just going to come in here and give me some time. I'm actually just going to come through here. I'm going to select it. Just the actual body of it, not the title and not the footer. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to come back to my ARTSONIA class portal, and I'm just going to paste it in. That's simple. And then I'm going to do Submit to Teacher. And it will show that my project, check, it was submitted. That is the title of the photo, King of Tigers, and that is my artist statement. And they must all be submitted to me, and then I go through and look at them, and then I will actually post them. So even though they're in the system right now, it will not show up. But what the biggest thing is that it has a big, huge check mark here. And then in the orangish red that says submitted to teacher for review. Because I do have to check over the JPEG, the title here, and then also the artist statement itself. And that is about it. Then you're going to log me out. And I'm going to close the session. And that is it. So each time you go in, you just need to make sure that you have the high school code, which is capital M W H B N P D S. That is the login all the time for our classroom code for you to start to upload all of your JPEGs for the projects that we are doing. And if the project is not there, that means you're not supposed to upload it yet. So I want to make sure that I do look at all your final JPEGs before they actually get turned in. All right, that's it. Bye-bye.